We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Every culture has its own unique strengths that set it apart. That's the philosophy of Xie Yuwei, a modern-day writer of pop music. Born in the late 60s, he was like many youth from his generation, even forming a rock band in college. But unlike most kids, his band came home with top honors in the Young Stars competition. After school, he put his interest in his native Hakka culture to work, becoming the music director at the Hakka radio service. However, his efforts at promoting popular Hakka music have not always been so smooth, with mainstream record companies not willing to touch the ethnic music. Not willing to take no for an answer, he formed his own record company, and his hard work has paid off. Recently gaining national attention when one of his pop Hakka songs was nominated for a Golden Melody Award, Taiwan's version of the Emmys. Hello, I'm Joseph Lin, and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Alice, it's time of the year where, Chinese New Year is right here, and people here in Taiwan would love to clean up their house. So, what is there a saying for people in Hakka, let's go get together and let's do a little bit cleaning up, because that's the tradition during Chinese New Year.
過新年，大家認真來變數。
過新年就是過新年哈，都可以猜得出來 which means, over the New Year's. And then?
大家認真來變數。
大家就是大家，這個是什麼？大家好嘛 right? 認真，這是什麼？
認真。
認真，hard working, all right? 大家認真
來變數
差不多了which means everybody let's work hard together and clean up, the house, the community, whatever you got. 我看打掃有很多嘛，可能要掃地啊，擦窗户啊，有沒有？
你掃地奶，掃地的意思啊。
掃地奶，那這個奶是幹什麼的？
掃地啊，地上的泥巴很多，掃地奶了。
掃地奶的話就是 that means sweep the floor， 那擦窗戶呢？
洗窗門。
洗窗門
要洗，用洗的。
洗窗戶 ，OK。
那如果用擦的話，是沖門。
All right, so that means clean up or wipe the windows. So there's a lot more to do, of course, just to teach you a couple right here, and hopefully everyone will have a happy Chinese New Year that is very, very clean. All right. I'm Joseph Lin with our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.